Hi viewers, welcome to linuxskill.com. Today we are going to see about how to install OpenCart 3.0 on Linux Mint 18.3. OpenCart is a popular and widely used open source e-commerce content management system. It is based on PHP and uses MySQL database. It has everything you need to create and manage an online store. Okay, now let us see how to install OpenCart 3.0 on Linux Mint 18.3. Before starting your installation, you have to need LAMP setup, that is Apache, MySQL and PHP. Here we have to use PHP version 5.6. First of all, we have to download the OpenCart CMS package using by wget command. Now download is going on. After downloading, we have to extract and rename the OpenCart directory using by unzip command. After extracted, again we have to list out this directory. Now we have to move the OpenCart directory into the /var/ww/html directory. Now go to HTML directory. Then here we have to list out this directory. Now we have to change ownership and permission for OpenCart directory. Give recursively. Then go to OpenCart directory. Then we have to list out this directory. Then here go to upload directory. Then here we have to list out this directory. Then here rename the config-dist.php. After renaming, go to admin directory. Then here we have to list out this directory. Then here create one empty directory named config.php. Then we have to provide permission and ownership for config.php file. Then we have to configure the virtual host for OpenCart directory. So go to site available location. Then here we have to create one empty file named opencart.conf. Then change insert mode. Then add the following lines. Then save and quit the file. After configuring, we have to enable the opencart.conf file. After that, we have to enter it to the host file. Change insert mode. Give your IP. Then give your domain name. Then save and quit the file. Then finally we have to restart your Apache web server. After restarting Apache web server, we have to open the browser. Here we have to give local IP or domain name. Here I have to give domain name. Here it will show OpenCart installation. First of all, here it will show license agreement. So we have to click continue. Here it will show pre-requirement installation. So we have to check PHP version and status and PHP models and status. Then we have to check file permissions and status. Then finally we have to click continue. Here it will show database configuration and admin credential. So we have to fill the database and admin credential. First of all, we have to fill the database details. Give database username, then password, then give database name, then scroll down. Then here we have to fill the admin credential. Username always admin, then give password, then give your email address. Then we have to click continue. Here it will show the installation complete now. If you want to log in your admin page, click here. Here it will show login page of OpenCart. So here we have to fill username and password. Then we have to click login. Here it will show admin dashboard of OpenCart. That's all about for installation of OpenCart. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel LinuxHelp. If you still need more video, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For any queries to mail support@linuxhelp.com.